Good morning. So today we're gonna make an easy to do breakfast, quick, fast, very tasty. Here we go. Just chopped up some chorizos. That's a nice fatty, very flavorful sausage. And then I got the spinach here, waiting for it to thaw. Then we're gonna add some goat cheese, feta cheese, some tomatoes, some cut up hams, 7 egg whites, 5 yellows. That's for two persons. Super tasty, flavorful, sweet peppers. Looks pretty tasty. And just a small tip for making beautiful eggs. Don't keep it on high heat, right? Keep it on low heat so you can stir it and it'll cook slow. You get that nice, perfect shine look. You just gotta have some patience, right? Yeah, this is gonna be beautiful. Oh yeah, enjoy.
Until something better came along.